know.
Look at him.
Oh, man.
Man down.
Are you going on the slide? You say you're stuck? Dude, you're supposed to take your shoes. You're supposed to take your shoes off.
Did I break the record?
Yeah, you just beat it.
How many seconds?
Right now you're at 1:13.
That was a rush.
Great job.